Warning, unauthorized removal of this lock constitutes breaking and entering. It's on the lock. Boton. Boton. Made in Taiwan. 5 pins. Pick of the day is the half Snowman. Or what it started out to be was the half Bogata. Took me all day to make this. I'm real dirty from working on this all day long. Stick it in all the way. If it doesn't work, that means my tension wrench is not right. Okay, one little jab with the tension wrench in the right place. There you go. The half Snowman or half of the Bogata. You make the call. I'll do it again.
Don't go to bed with no price on your head. No, no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do the crime if you can't do the time. Yeah. Don't do it. And keep your eye on the sparrow. When the going gets